Hello student, this question is asking which of the following reaction is the metal displacement reaction. Choose the right option. Okay, you can see that in the third and the fourth option, these reactions are what? The decomposition reaction. One matter is going to decompose here. So both of these are not possible, clearly. Next, aluminum is going to displace here the chromium, while the iron is going to displace here the hydrogen. In both of these cases, there is a displacement. But we can say that one metal is displacing another. This is going to be the most appropriate answer, most perfect answer. First option is going to be perfect here because iron is going to displace here the non-metal hydrogen. So we can say first option. This is the aluminothermite reaction, thermite process. So aluminum is going to displace here the metal chromium. This is the reaction of, we can say that metal displacement reaction, which is asked in the question. First option is going to be perfect for you. Thank you. Hello student, this question is asking the structure of beryllium chloride BeCl2 in a solid state. Student, this is the polymer, linear polymer. Okay, and in the vapor phase, this will form here what? The dimer. So we can draw here the structure in the solid state. Beryllium chloride, 1 molecule, 2, 3, 4, and here the number of electrons in the beryllium are how many? 4 electrons. In order to complete octet, we will be getting here this linear chain structure. Okay, linear chain structure. So here you can see that this is the solid state structure. So in the solid state, this is linear. Okay, this is not the dimer, this is the chain, but not in the both chain. Okay, chain is going to be perfect here. Next, and the vapor phase. As far as the vapor phase, it means on heating this solid, it will convert into what? The dimer. Beryllium 1, beryllium 2, this is the dimer. Okay, this is the dimeric structure of beryllium chloride. So we can say that chain in the solid state and the dimer in the vapor phase respectively. Fourth option is going to be perfect for you. Thank you. Hello student, this question is asking the incorrect statement among the following is: first, most of the trivalent lanthanide, valence is what? The 3, okay, are colorless. Student, this one is going to be wrong. These are having unpaired electron. Mostly these are the colorful, not colorless. So we want here the incorrect statement, and you can say that the first statement is going to be incorrect, and this is your answer. Next, all the statements are based on the NCERT line. So next is the lanthanide are the good conductor of the heat and the electricity. Correct. Actinide are highly reactive matter, especially when finely divided. These are the line of NCERT. Okay, next. Actinide contraction is always greater for the element to element than lanthanide contraction. Yes, of course. Actinide contraction, it means contraction of the 5f electron is greater as compared to 4f because the shielding effect is not appropriate in this case. Okay, so we can say that all of these are going to be correct, but we want here incorrect. That is one. First option is going to be your answer. Thank you. Hello everyone. This question is asking ethylene diamine tetraacetate EDTA ion is. So the structure is this is ethylene group. We are having here the 2 amine group and the tetraacetate 1, 2, 3 and 4. Student, here 6 sites are electron pair dative. So we can say this is the hexadentate. This is a hexadentate. 1, 2, 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen. Oxygen 1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3, oxygen 4. 4 oxygen. So we can say that this is a hexadentate. This is not unidentate, wrong, bidentate, wrong, tridentate, wrong, only hexadentate ligand with 4 oxygen and 2 nitrogen donor atom. Fourth option is going to be perfect for you. Thank you.
Well, students, a question is, a particular station of All India Radio New Delhi broadcast on a frequency of 1368 kilohertz. Students, the wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the transmitter is. So what will be the wavelength of the this electromagnetic radiation? Well, a question directly coming from the NCERT solved example. Student, this is given in the NCERT solved examples chapter, atomic structure. Well, we have been given frequency, we have been given C, we can just calculate the lambda out of it. So this will be lambda equals this will be C by nu. Well, C comes out to be 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by, well, this is 1368 kilohertz. So this will be multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. Well, this gets cancelled out. This will be 10 to the power of what? 5. This will be 10 to the power of 5. Okay, now we can just write it as 3 into 10 to the power of 5 divided by, I can just write it to be 1.368 into 10 to the power of 3, students, into 10 to the power of 3. So just cancelling it out, it comes out to be 10 square. Now we are having 3 upon 1.368. Well, if it was 1.5, students, then in that particular case the answer would have been 2. So 2 into 100, it would have been 200 approximately. Okay, so let's have a look if the approximate answer that we can just get it out. Well, it can't be the answer because it is more than 200. Well, it is actually a very high value than 200 and it is very low value than 200. So these two cannot be the answer. Now, a very interesting part in this question, students, in NEET 2021, they just made students do the calculation to a very accurate decimal places, students, a very accurate decimal places, because the answer has been given as 219.2 and 219.3, students. So we have been given the values to a very accurate decimal places. So for this particular question, I'm not concerned with the other words, but for this particular question, you can only give the answer by doing the very accurate calculations only. So this will be 3 divided by 1.368. Well, it comes out to be 2.1929. It comes out to be somewhat like this into 10 square. So this will be 219.29, which can be written as 219.3, students. They just made students do the calculation to very depth, students, right? So the correct answer for this is actually 219.3 and not this one rather. So for this, the correct answer goes to be option number 4. And I hope you understood it. Thank you.